Welcome to Kwan's Corner. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make Patbingsu, which is Korean shaved ice. Let's get started. You guys have been saying you want more dessert, so I'm gonna make one last dish before summer is over. To get started, we need a milk, sweetened condensed milk, and a large Ziploc bag. Open up the bag, and we need 2 cups, 500 milliliter of milk. Pour it into the bag. 2. Now we're gonna add sweetened condensed milk. We need 4 to 6 tablespoons of condensed milk. Depends on your preference, you can adjust by your taste. I'm gonna have 5. Mix it well. Tastes so good. It already tastes like Bingsu flavor. After you mix well, close it up. But make sure let the air out. Now we're gonna put this into the freezer at least 5 hours. But when you put it into the freezer, don't put it vertically. You gotta put it horizontally so it will freeze thinly. So make sure put it horizontally. Okay, let's go.
6 hours later.
Ta-da! This is what it looked like. It's a thin layer of milk ice. So break it. It's pretty easy to break since it's thin layer. Or you can use a little hammer and break it. It's freaking cold. Oh, it feels nice. Once you broke the milk ice, open up the pack. Ooh, that's so nice. Scoop out the ice and place it into your bowl. This is sweet red bean. We usually put it into rice cake like mochi and bread like dampapang. Or sometimes you even put it into the donut in Korea. If you guys want me to cover it, comment down below. So open up the can, and this is what it looks like. Get the spoon and put it as much as you want. It's very sweet and tasty. And on top of that, we got the mochi. Place mochi on top. Ta-da! That's it. Our Patbingsu is all ready to eat. Eating time! That's it. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. It looks like from restaurant. It looks so good. Bingsu ya, Patbingsu ya. 녹지마 녹지마. That's the Patbingsu song, by the way. When you're eating Patbingsu, make sure eat it with the mochi. It goes so well. So good. Oh my gosh. Milk and red beans are really soft, and mochi is very chewy, and mochi gives really good texture. It's so cold. Since I added condensed milk to the milk, it is very sweet and creamy. It's really good.
맛있다.
Okay, sweet red bean is like kind of like apple jam, and if you ever had a mochi, it's the red stuff inside. That's the sweet red bean. It is super cold, and I really like it, so you should definitely try. And if you try, please send me through the social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. I'm gonna put the link down below. Thanks for watching. See you next week. 안녕. If you like this episode, please hit subscribe and the like button. And if you wanna see more video, it's over there and over there. And if you have any requests, please comment down below. I'll make sure to cover it in a future episode. See you next week. 안녕!